In this video, I'm going to show you how to use bullets on Google Documents. Now, this should be a quick and easy process video. All you have to do is to follow these instructions step by step. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. Now, the first thing you need to do if you want to use bullets on Google Documents is to go ahead and select the text that you want. Let's say, for example, you select all these text. Just click on it. And after you do that, just go ahead to Format. Make sure you are on Format. Then click on Bullets and Numbering. Then choose Bullets List menu, and you can choose here the template that you want. Then click on it. So as you can see here, Bullets is enabled, and if you want also to change it, just select it like this. Then go ahead to the top right, click on this arrow right here, then choose the one you want. As you can see, it has been changed. You can also select this side from here, and you can do this over and over again until you find the one you like. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.